In today's business world, we're all looking for that perfect hire. It's almost a myth, right? We want someone who can wear multiple hats, someone who speaks the language of finance, tech, and marketing all at once. It's a really tall order. But today, we're going to break down the blueprint for exactly that kind of professional. I mean, let's be real. How many times have you wished you could just find that one person who gets it all? Someone who understands the numbers, can troubleshoot the IT systems, and knows how to get your brand seen online. It sounds like you need to hire 3 different people, doesn't it? Well, what if I told you that rare combination actually exists?
So meet Kaba Tharanka. This sentence right here, it's not just a professional summary. It's the answer to the question we just asked. It's a roadmap for a new kind of professional who brings all those critical skills together. It's a really powerful statement, so let's unpack exactly how this unique toolkit was built, piece by piece.
Okay, so every great story has a beginning, and for a professional like this, it all starts with a solid foundation. For Kaba, that's the rock-solid analytical world of finance. And this isn't just one skill among many. It's the bedrock that literally supports everything else he does. Now, I want you to notice the key phrase here: practical skills. This isn't about abstract, high-level theory. This diploma was all about the real world, equipping him with the hands-on tools to manage the financial engine of a business right from day one.
And just look at how deep this foundation goes. We're not just talking about crunching numbers. It's about understanding the entire financial picture of a business, from costs and taxes to audits and reporting. This is where that crucial data-first mindset comes from. It's about learning the language of business from the inside out.
But, a strong foundation is really just the launch pad. The truly modern professional doesn't just stay in one lane, they evolve. And this next chapter shows a very deliberate pivot into the digital and IT realms, which, let's face it, is where everything is happening in today's economy. This timeline tells such a powerful story. Just look at the dates. In only a couple of years, there's this incredible progression from core finance to a hybrid IT role, and then a leap into global marketing. Each step is a deliberate evolution, adding a new, powerful layer to his skill set. It shows real momentum. And this is where it all clicks into place. I mean, one minute, he's troubleshooting an IT issue to keep the team productive. The next, he's launching a social media campaign to grow the brand. This isn't just multitasking. This is integration. It's about seeing how IT projects and marketing campaigns are really just 2 sides of the same coin: growth. That's the real-world value of a hybrid pro.
So we've seen the financial foundation. We've seen the digital evolution. Now we get to the really exciting part, the synthesis. This is where all these distinct skills merge into something truly powerful, the all-in-one professional. Now this is the key transformation. The skills on the left, that's the what. But the impact on the right, that's the so what. Financial knowledge isn't just for balancing the books anymore. It's for proving the ROI on a new software investment. Data skills aren't just for spreadsheets. They're for targeting the right customers with the perfect message. This is that leap from being a technician to a true strategist. And here's what that final product looks like. Just check out that balance. Almost equal parts financial ops, IT support, and digital marketing. This isn't someone who just dabbles in a few things. This is a professional with deep functional expertise across the board. They don't just work in a department. They become the bridge between them, making sure marketing, tech, and finance are all speaking the same language. Okay, so we've seen the story and we've seen the skills. Let's get to the chase. What does this actually mean for your bottom line? What's the tangible value you get when you bring someone like this on board? Let's just start with a number: 5. As in over 5 years of proven in-the-trenches experience. We're not talking about potential here. We're talking about a consistent track record of delivering real results. That's credibility you can count on from day one. And in today's world of flexible work, this is absolutely critical. Kabata doesn't just work remotely, he thrives in it. What that means for you is you're not just hiring a set of skills. You're getting a self-motivated professional who can manage their time and deliver exceptional work with minimal supervision, whether they're in the office or on the other side of the world. So let's just break down the deliverable. What do you get? 1. Financial acumen to make smart, data-backed decisions. 2. Tech proficiency to keep your systems and your team running smoothly. 3. Marketing growth to build your brand and find new customers. And 4. Operational efficiency to make it all work together like a well-oiled machine. It really is the complete package for any growing business.
And that brings us right back to where we started. Finding that one person who can connect the dots between finance, tech, and marketing, it's one of the biggest challenges out there. We've just shown you the solution, so the only question left is, are you ready to solve that challenge for your business?
Well, here's how. We've laid out the story, the skills, and the incredible value that's on the table. The next step is just a simple conversation. So go ahead, reach out, and discover how you can bring this unique, powerful toolkit directly to your team.